Hey everybody, it's Jess Forster, and today I'm going to walk you through my evening story kit crush first process video. So sit back, relax, grab a cold drink, and let's begin. So back in April, this is the first layout that I created with the kit. It was a 6x12 double page pocket page spread recording the story of bath time over the years. It was regarding, the fact that my kids were young and bath time really signaled the end of the day. And if I could just make it through bath time, then I was doing okay. It was a really, really fun layout where I used primarily the colors of green, black, white, and gray. So here is my leftover evening story kit, and as you can see, I'm flipping through the supplies to see what I have left over. Essentially, I am organizing by color, thinking of stories that I want to tell coming up in future weeks. So for this week, I'm creating a double page 6x8 layout, and I decide to tell the story of my son Sam at bedtime. I print out a 6x8 photo of us making silly faces and a 4x6 photo of him sleeping. I tell the story of Sam during the pandemic and how he gets his sillies out right before bed, and how we've just sort of let this evolve. It's such a unique, different year, and he really hasn't had time with his friends. So this seems to be our bedtime routine of making silly faces, doing dances, telling stories about Minecraft, as well as his ever-growing list of Lego that he would like for his birthday. I choose 3 of the wood veneer from the Ali Edwards Evening Story Kit, and I adhere that with just some simple adhesive. I then use foam dots to adhere that Good Night gray sticker close to the Good Evening wood veneer. As you can see, I've placed the sticker as well as 2 pieces of the gray chipboard from the story kit in a visual triangle. I like a little bit of lumps and bumps on my pages, and this, I think, helps to direct the eye around the page. Now, I'm simply just using simple adhesive that I'm adhering to the back of wood veneer. I know that some people like to use glue. I am not fussy when it comes to how my wood veneer is attached, and so I'm just simply placing and adhering it to my photo and cardstock. And that's it. That is a simple story of how I created a 6x8 double page layout of my son Sam and how he gets his sillies out at bedtime. Not sure if you've experienced this with your kiddos during the pandemic, but this is a fun layout that I'm happy to have recorded for this week's Story Crush kit. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers.